We are in production building on the PDI station, pre-delivery inspection station, where we are checking all the main systems to be sure that machines which are gonna be delivered to our distributors and to final customers is working properly. We're gonna check all the systems, electronic, hydraulic and pneumatic. What is, I think, very important, we are checking every machines, not only one of some. We are checking every one single machine to be sure that each of them are working properly. We are checking hydraulic systems on the machine, including hydraulic regulation of front discs, which are working on the same line like front coulters, which are also protected by hydraulic system. On the compaction zone, where we are making a good compaction on the strips, where we are making the cultivation and where we are gonna seeding the main crops, we are checking the hydraulic system of folding and unfolding the machine. On the last seeding section, we are controlling the hydraulic and pneumatic system. Each seeding section is working independently and with total control of seeding depth. We are checking also electronic system, connection between computer and machine. What is very interesting, our newest machines could be equipped with the new computer, which is connected to the Mzuri platform, which is dedicated for managing whole farm. Mzuri solutions, that's not only machines, that's much more. That's whole, complete, reliable technology. This unit is completely checked. We are absolutely confident that our solution is gonna work properly on your farm.